Welcome to FRS Roofing Plus Gutters in Winchester, Massachusetts, your trusted choice for local roof replacement contractor in Winchester, Massachusetts. As we take pride in preserving historical buildings, we understand the importance of history in Winchester. Winchester's well-preserved historical buildings glimpse the town's rich past. Just as we respect history, we respect the town's climate, a humid subtropical one with hot summers and cold winters. This climate can take a toll on roofs, especially when improperly maintained. Here, we ensure your roof stands strong in Winchester's diverse economy. Our team knows how to protect your home from the impact of Winchester's climate. We understand the significance of historical buildings and the importance of a well-maintained roof in preserving Winchester's heritage. If you're uncertain about your roof's condition, our professional roofing contractors can provide the expertise you need. Call us today at 781-322-6252 to schedule your assessment. Visit our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Winchester for more details on our services. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we're committed to keeping Winchester's roofs in great shape. At FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, we're not just installing roofs but preserving history and protecting your home. FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, your Winchester roofing experts, safeguarding the town's heritage, one roof at a time.